Welcome to wiperblades.co.uk. Today I'm going to show you how to fit direct fit wiper blades. First things first, we need to remove the old wiper blades. This vehicle we need to put it into service mode, and this is how you do it. Now that the wiper blades are in service mode, we can now change them. To do that, lift the wiper arm away from the windscreen, press the button and slide the blades up and out of the arm. It's recommended to put a cloth down to protect the glass just in case the wiper arm snaps back. And don't forget, you can recycle these at your local tip. It's really simple to find the right wiper blades for your vehicle. Simply head to wiperblades.co.uk and enter your vehicle's registration number. Don't forget, we offer free postage. Now that we've found the correct wiper blades for our car, it's time to fit them. To do that, lift the wiper arm off the windscreen and slot the new blade into the arm. It's best practice now to test the wiper blades.